Hi everyone, I'm here today with a little guest design team project for Artful Era Galleries. This is a tag booklet, an ephemera holder, but it's also something that you could put into a journal, for instance, in the center of a journal, or it can be a standalone piece. If you were, for instance, going on a holiday, you might add some signatures, and I'll show you where you might do that. It's just kind of a little versatile piece. Now, I used, and I'll link it below, the kits that I've used. I have used the 300-piece mega bundle that has all kinds of tickets and journal pages and photos, old photos, that kind of thing. So just perfect for adding ephemera to your journals. I've also used the antique labels and tags kit. And then I've used an image from the Valentine's old photos kit. My intent had been to do this in kind of a Valentine's theme. However, I got sick in February for the entire month and wasn't able to do any crafting. So this is just kind of where I ended up with it. So not as Valentine themed as I had intended in any case. So I made this with just 4 large envelopes, and I will do a little kind of how-to video coming up next so that you can see that. But all I've done is tied this with a little bit of twine, and you can see here that's envelope 1, that's envelope 2, that's envelope 3, and then on the back this is envelope 4. So I will show you how I did that. Now I just used, once I had put the base of it together, I just used a lot of scraps that I had on my desk to cover the background. And then I have, including some of the pages from Artful Era Gallery. And then I've just added the ephemera into it. So in this first envelope, I've just added a simple tag, a little bit of stamping, a little bit of color at the top here. And I did that, all 3 of these tags are similar. So that's the second one. And then I've done a larger one for the back pocket. So those are the pockets. On the inside, I've done some baking paper pockets and just added some of the ephemera. So this was a page. So I've done a variety of things. I've reduced in size some of the pages to make extra journaling cards. And then I printed the photos pages on some glossy photo paper there. These are really really interesting old photos. I just love this one. So if you're looking for photos, there's a lot to choose from. And then I just took some of the little tickets and just clipped them together with a bulb pin and added that. On this side, again, I've taken a couple of the tags and kind of grouped them together. This is one of the really pretty labels. And then again, some of the larger pages I've reduced in size to make some journaling cards. In the middle here, I have added a little postcard pocket that's part of the kit. And then I've just clipped together a few things. So this image is actually from the Valentine Old Photos kit, and I've just cut that out, and I've added a little bit of pink glitter glass there. And then there's lots of old receipts and so on, so I've added one of those. And then this pretty envelope, and then to the back of it I've actually added an envelope, so you can actually put something in that. Otherwise it's just kind of the front of it. So that is what I've added there. And then on this side, I apologize for clearing my throat. I'm still kind of getting over this cold that I've had for the last month, so I apologize for that. On this side, I've added a belly band here and another of the vintage labels, and did a bit of stamping, and then added that journaling card. And then on the back, I've added a pocket with another of the vintage labels. And then I've added just an embossed tag. And then this is actually a page, so a journaling page that I've reduced in size, and I've made a little folio out of it. Added some embossed pockets here. Another of the photos that I printed on glossy photo paper. And then on this side, I have a tag that I have to add something to the top. And then in this envelope, I've just added a few of the various labels that come with the Vintage Labels kit. So pretty. These are things, of course, with an ephemera holder, these are things that you would use to add to a journal that you might be making. And then in the back pocket, so with this envelope, I've added a gusset here so that I could add a little journal. I've just closed it with some twine. This was just some extra paper that I had on my desk. And then I've just added a few pages here. And I thought it would be a great place for lists or that kind of thing. So you can see this would be a great kind of on-the-go little kind of holder. If you were going on holidays, you could do your memory keeping here, and then you've got all kinds of different tags and labels and so on, and journaling cards that you could put in that journal. Now, if you wanted to sew this into the center of a signature, you could do that here, so that this would be in the center of your signature. It would fold out. It would be a little bit thick, so you might want to modify how you kind of filled this. But if you wanted to make this standalone and say use this back pocket for larger ephemera pieces, you could sew in a signature here or on both sides, depending on how long your trip was, for instance, or what you wanted to use your journal for. So that is my little guest design team project for Artful Era Galleries. I'm going to list the shop and the kits that I've used below, and I will come back and I'll show you how I made this ephemera holder. So thanks for joining me today, and I will see you soon.